we initially started with having eye camps. We went around the entire GB and had eye camps. And also we went to every school and we did a screening of our children in every school and realized that basically there is a humongous need of eye care. And that's the reason we decided to bring in a hospital that we will continue to do the camps and visiting all the schools because our youth, our children, basically has to be continuously, I would say, screened for the eye disease because और especially जो हमारे बच्चे वहाँ पर हेल्थ केयर की इतनी एक्सेस ना होने की वजह से वहाँ पर प्री मैच्योर भी बोर्न हो रहे हैं जो बच्चे प्री मैच्योर बोर्न हो रहे हैं उनकी कहते हैं कि more than I would say 20% of the children who are premature have retina issues and they may not be able to see and it's a huge number of children. So hum basically Al Shifa I Trust is really doing very complex surgeries also at their facilities in Pakistan. So हमने यहाँ से just for the information of all the donors who have donated in the past in USA, for them is that from Houston we have shipped almost 1,000 eyes from here to Al Shifa Trust in Pakistan to reduce blindness for 100 people. I mean, sorry, 1,000 people. So is it not 1,000 people? It's 1,000 families, and the community around them will be benefiting from this 1,000 eyes that we have shipped to, I would say, Pakistan, and we continue to ship thousands of eyes from Houston. We're buying from here and